am Jemmy Ross, and these are my friends.
I love all of you, and today I will teach you about love and friendship.
True friendship is not only about what you get from each other, but what you learn from one another.
The sacrifices you make for each other shows true love and friendship.
Guys, come here. I want to show you something really cool over by the big old oak tree. So follow me closely through the woods. In friendship, sharing is caring. Come on, everybody.
Thank you for helping us all, Jemmy Ross. We are very grateful for your generosity and caring nature.
I am here to save you, friend. How did this happen? Please be careful next time.
Try to remove this and close my friends.
How did you get in there? And I am here to help you, my friend.
This is my place, friends, and let's enjoy playing together inside this room today because I have my fox here.
Friendship is beautiful and we care for one another and we always look out for each other.
I am so proud of you, Jemmy, for taking such good care of the little rabbit and your friends today, and you have a truly kind and gentle heart.
God protect us tonight as we sleep, and protect Jemmy and his friends, in Jesus' name. Amen.
So friends, I hope you learn more on our friendship video. Enjoy your day!